Welcome to Real Internet Cash TV. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer, and in this video, I'm talking to affiliate marketers, new affiliate marketers. If that's you, this video should definitely help you out and give you some real focus and direction. All right. So a couple weeks ago, I was watching a big time YouTuber. She's very successful. She built a business from YouTube. Her name is Sunny Lenarduzzi. Always watch her videos. She has some pretty good content. But anyway, one video I seen, basically what she was saying in it when she was talking about her success, because she's a 7-figure earner, all from online, right? And she was talking about in this video, she was saying how like so many people get into the game, you know, I want to make money online, and they feel like they need to do so many different things, right? They need all these products, they need all of these social media platforms and websites and blogs and, you know, all these softwares and everything, right? And she said something that really stood out to me. And even though she's not necessarily an affiliate marketer, she has her own products. This applies to you as well, to affiliate marketers, right? And it is this. She said, all you really need to be successful online and reach your financial goals is one solid product, one offer, service, and one marketing strategy. One product, one strategy. That's all you really need to be successful. So when I heard her say that, I'm like, dang, that's just, it really simplifies things when you look at it like that, guys. So if you're an affiliate marketer, whether you new or you've been doing it for years and maybe just struggling, or maybe you scatterbrained like I get from time to time, really think about what I just said. One product, one strategy, right? So whatever it is, whatever niche you in, find you a solid product or service. Find it, whatever it is, right? Whatever it is. Now, ideally, with it being one product that you want to focus on, you want to make sure the profit is there, right? So if you're doing affiliate marketing, at least make sure you're getting, you know, $100 commissions, $200 commissions, 500, whatever. Make sure the commissions are worth your while, right? Because, you know, you're focusing on one product. You're driving all your potential buyers. You're driving them one-to-one offer ultimately, right? So find that product. That's important. That's crucial. Find a solid product. Keep in mind, this product need to be something that you really rock with, you really believe in, and you really willing to push it, right? Boom. So now you got your product. You good to go, right? So now she said you need one solid marketing strategy. Now, in my opinion, this marketing strategy could be, you know, actually one thing that you focus on doing, or it could just be one strategy that involves several different things. For example, one strategy could be, hey, I'm on YouTube all the time. I got my product. All I'm going to do is really work YouTube. That's all I'm focusing on. YouTube content. I'm going to put out 2-3 videos a week based around this product, and I'm going to drive everyone ultimately to my offer. That could be your strategy. Or your strategy could be, you know what? I like TikTok. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a TikTok video, and then I'm going to, you know, download it and re-upload it. Well, actually make sure the logo, the TikTok thing. So you want to download your TikTok video, make sure you remove the TikTok logo, and you might be like, now I'm going to upload it to my Instagram Reels, right? Or I'm going to upload it to Facebook Reels, right? Which a lot of people are doing right now, right? So that could be your strategy. All right, TikTok and Instagram. Or you might have a strategy where it's like, I do a YouTube video, then I take a snippet of that and put it on TikTok, and then I take that and then put it on Facebook Reels. That could be your one strategy, right? But ultimately, you're sending people to your one offer, because that's what you're focusing on. One, right? So if you look at it like that, guys, it really gives you a direction, right? Because you know the game plan. You have your strategy, right? And you have your product, and that's all you need. Now, one thing that she always says, and I say too, no matter what you're doing, online business, your products, affiliate products, whatever, you do want to build a list, right? You want to build a list. You never want to send people directly to your offer. You want to make sure you can capture some sort of information from your potential buyer, whether it be, an email, phone number, something on that level, right? So you can always connect with these people, even if they don't buy the first time they see your offer. You'll be able to constantly market to them. Another reason why you want your own list is because you can't trust these platforms, huh? You can't trust these platforms. You can't, Facebook could shut everything down tomorrow or sell the company. TikTok, might change everything. YouTube might be like, we're not allowing this no more, blah, blah, blah. But it don't matter because you got your list, and you can always build your list because it's your list. Now, if you want, I use Leads Leap. I'll put it in the description. It's a way you can actually start building your own email list no matter what you're promoting, and you can start using Leads Leap absolutely free. All right. But wrapping this video up, guys, one product, right? One marketing strategy. That's all you need. Now, if you want to see the one product that I always push, I'm sending people to it all the time because I love it. The earning potential is crazy. You want to know what I'm doing? Check this video out right here.